Today, we're putting two of the best touring tires head-to-head, the Michelin Primacy 4 and the Bridgestone Turanza T005. Both of these tires have made significant marks in the market, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive in. The Michelin Primacy 4 was launched in 2017 and has been a top performer in its class. This 2022 press test might be the last dance for the Primacy 4 before it's replaced by the Primacy 4 Plus. The Bridgestone Turanza T005, introduced in 2018, quickly gained a reputation for excellence. First, let's look at their wet performance. Safety is paramount, and wet braking is a crucial factor. The Primacy 4 edges out the Turanza T005 with a shorter braking distance by 0.7 meters. However, when it comes to wet handling, the Turanza T005 takes the lead, clocking in 0.9 seconds faster on the track. In wet circle tests, the Turanza T005 again proves superior with better lateral grip. In aquaplaning, the Primacy 4 excels in straight-line conditions, while the Turanza T005 performs better in curved aquaplaning. Overall, both tires are neck and neck in wet performance, each showing strengths in different areas. Shifting to dry performance, the competition remains tight. The Turanza T005 has a slight edge with a shorter braking distance and marginally better handling times. Both tires are nearly inseparable in these conditions, highlighting their superb engineering. When it comes to noise and comfort, the Primacy 4 has a slight advantage in comfort, scoring higher than the Turanza T005. Both tires are equally matched in noise levels, ensuring a quiet ride. Rolling resistance is another critical factor, especially for fuel efficiency. The Turanza T005 outperforms the Primacy 4 with a better rolling resistance rating, which translates to slightly better fuel economy. In summary, the Michelin Primacy 4 leads in wet braking and comfort. On the other side, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 takes the lead in rolling resistance and fuel economy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.